This is my weekly market recap of every trade I took, every trade I should have taken, and every trade. What were the lessons of the week, right? Especially what the emotions throughout trading. How do I feel to start this week? How did I do? What could we do to improve? And yeah, on and on. Before we start this trade, before we start off this whole YouTube shit, make sure you join the like, join the community, join the family, join the Discord. Link in the Discord, join the Discord. Link in the bio. With that, let's go over it. This week was to me, I didn't take no trade this week. I didn't have no boss liquidity. I didn't have no high quality setup, right? But one thing we gotta keep in mind throughout this week, learning something really viable, that when every time I was entering the trade, I wasn't looking for a rhythm that constantly repeats, right? I was looking for like order block, break block, and it's like I wasn't looking for that one that constantly repeats. So throughout this week, right on Saturday is when I changed my unicorn strategy my strategy from nothing to unicorn model, just for execution, nothing else but execution. But on Monday, I think there should have been a setup here. I think I had a setup, but after market, after kill zone, which I don't trade. But on Monday, I was sales. Why was I sales? Market needs to go push back down because there's literally nothing to the upside, right? No candle cut to the all-time high. Hourly time frame, we just took out liquidity, so I'm looking for sales still. I'm looking to aim for this box of liquidity, right? The first candle closure above that. I'm looking to aim for there. I'm looking to aim for the size of liquidity over here below it. With that, let's let the price play out. Candle close below it, giving us this auto block. So right when we got this auto block, what happened? What did the market do? Outside was bullish, so we're looking for a 15-minute unicorn model. We have an hourly size of liquidity we gotta watch out about. Now we're going to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if the market even touches it. Does it touch it? No, market took out this box of liquidity. Last down closure candle, which is all the way down here. So wait, market took out this box of liquidity. The last candle closure to the downside before the sweep of liquidity, which was this. I mean, people want to call that. No, that could have not been it. Market touched the fair value gap. Continue drone liquidity. Okay, so now once you touch this, so what's the 4 drone liquidity? Bearish. What's the 4 bias? Bullish. What's the 1 hour bias? Bullish. What's the 1 drone liquidity? That time was bullish, so we could not enter trade. We're gonna look for a conflict. We could not enter trade, so we're gonna do let the candle close, see more setups to form. Then this candle closed below it, so now I'm looking for sales. Well, I'm looking for sales from what candle? Outside from bearish, looking for a 5-minute confluence. I'm still looking for sales because the hourly drone liquidity is still bearish. So outside from drone liquidity is still bearish. So now, if drone liquidity is bearish, hourly box is bearish, 4 drone liquidity is bearish, 1 hour box, 4 box is bullish. 1 hour drone liquidity is bearish, 1 hour box is bearish. We're looking for a further conflict. We're winning this trade, we're winning this thing. My hair is fucking messing up right now. So throughout this week, on Monday, I'm treating this like I'm backtesting. So just forgot, I just got back. I'm still I'm not done with it, but still doing it. But during this time, what happened? I'm looking for an entry. I'm looking for another. But this hourly auto block is still in place. So I still use this hourly auto block. The same bullet still down here. Now, since it got disrespected, so I'm not looking for another. I'm looking for a 5-minute pattern to form, right? I'm looking for a 5-minute. I'm not looking for none of that. I'm looking for a 5-minute also liquidity to get formed. Price pushed up above here. We got one over here. Close above this one. No, close above this one. Okay, so pause it over here. What did the market do over here? Close above this one, right? Sweep the liquidity. All it looks like a breakup structure. They call this a sweep, so I'm just gonna call this a sweep as well. I'm looking for a down closure candle. So looking for a candle closure below this and see if there's an auto block overlapping it. It has to overlap it. If it's not overlapping it, I can't look for execution. Because I'm still looking for execution because look at this one, building block. Let's see. Okay, we got another box of liquidity over here. So I'm not looking for another candle closure below this. Do we get any? Nope. Okay, no candle closure above that one. Boom, close above that. So I'm looking for another super liquidity. Do we get any? This is past my trading time, as I said. It's past my trading time. I can't look for a setup, but money no trades. Okay, money no setup, no trades, no nothing, nothing. This week I was meant to be looking for what? This week, let me go back in real time data. August 1st to all the way. Where are we at right now? Where the fuck we at? Where are we at right now? Okay, so this week was no high quality week, right? Not high. There was no major news week this week, right? So we were selling. September 12th, 17th, right? So all we have to watch out with the core retail sales. So we can't trade before core retail sales was Tuesday. So right over here, no setup. Why no setup? Past my trading time. Oh, it looks like we did have a setup over here. Looks like it, right? Okay, candle closure. No. See how market just moves slower now? We got a super liquidity. We'll go for the last down closing candle. You know, the most recent, you know, this right over here. No candle closure. This like no unicorn model on this. So yeah, no setup. Like fuck this one. Fuck this. Like I don't like trading this fucking sort of type of whatever this type of thing, right? So Monday was no setup week. You could just say Monday was no setup week, right? Like it's too difficult, right? Monday there was no setup week. Tuesday, Monday, New York session no setup as well. I'm pretty sure. Why would there no setup? I'm still looking for shorts. I'm looking to short it to all the way down here where the market already hit my take profit. You know what I mean? Already hit my take profit right at 6 a.m. So now I gotta wait till 10 a.m. See how the candle closure is now. Now the joint liquidity is right back to the upside. So now I'm looking for longs right after that. 10 a.m. 12 o'clock. It's past my trading time. No setup Monday. I don't take down trade at that time. And after that, on right when the news came out, the next session on Wednesday. Wait, Tuesday, what's on Tuesday? Tuesday, 6 o'clock, right over here. At this time, the out time was bearish. Far time was bearish. Fortune liquidity was bearish, but the market has a provide gap, right? So we're looking for longs over here, which during that time, I don't think I had any setup. Looking for longs, looking to elongate. This is okay. I don't like this indicator, right? Let me just. I should have been prepared before I did this video, but yeah, Tuesday, no setup. Why was there no setup? Market pushed up here. You can see it's 4 for value gap right over here. This is Tuesday. 4 for value gap over here, which is this 4 for value gap got respected. You can see. I'm not looking for no high quality setup because it's not a major news week. That's why I probably missed out on some trades, which no stress. Looking to long it till where? I'm looking to long it till this a lot of this thing right here holds it, right? So looking to long it till over here. And this basket liquidity all the way this here. Buy, I'm looking to long over there. Very simple. This is not a boss. There's no for basket liquidity there. Look, you see market push down, which we don't know until we see. We gotta see what we have set up first, right? And with that, why did I mark down that shit? What is this? Yeah, that's the 4 basket liquidity go A4, right? The market went down here. 8 o'clock is right down here. Market. I'm going to long it till all the way to the 4-hour order block. I'm going to long it from here. This candle closure right over here. I'm looking to long it. 4 bosses bearish. 4 liquidity is bullish. 100 liquidity is bearish. Looking for a 15-minute conflict to the upside. So yeah, 4 liquidity is bearish. No, 4 bosses bearish. 4 bosses. 4 liquidity is bullish. 4 liquidity is bearish. 4 bosses bearish. 1 of our bosses bearish. 1 of the liquidity is bearish. Looking for 15-minute confluence. We cannot even enter the trade. Even with the sweeper liquidity, looks like we had a sweeper liquidity right over here. Yep, we did. Sweeper liquidity. And we're looking too long until where? Over here, right? So now let's just say now we're winning the factor check, right? It's 32. Looking too long in here for first take profit gonna be over there. Now we'll go to the 15-minute time frame. Because the hourly time frame is what? Bearish. So looking for the 15-minute setup, see when we consider the liquidity. Looking for a sweep. Which happened here, and that's like way past it. This one already. It's not a distance. There's no unicorn there. Over here, no unicorn. Why? So it took out no more liquidity. Market's pushed back up. Actually, it gave us a unicorn model to the downside, not to the upside. But you see, market pushed back down even more. No setup. This is relatively gonna be a long ass video. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm trying to. Man, wish you luck, but you're in the wrong channel. Damn it. Oh. What the fuck is you guys talking, bro? Stop talking, niggas. Oh, sorry for saying that word. Talk like fuck nigga. But short and simple. Wednesday, which was right over here. Or what was my buy doing Wednesday? Wednesday, there was like no setup. I was looking for the high quality setup way, right, to go for a long. So I was looking for a high quality move back to the upside, which was this. Actually, I think I had a setup during Tuesday, but this week I was cooked, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I was trying to figure out when am I supposed to be taking a high quality setup or when I'm not. And I found out right over here. Super liquidity. Looking to aim for this the next 4 bucks liquidity, which is over here. Now looking to long it. 2 o'clock is right over here. These are relative equal highs. Ooh, you can see relative equal highs of the main take profit. Now there's 2 o'clock, no entries here. 3 o'clock when we had our setup. Looks like we had a setup. Okay, 3 o'clock, boom. 4 o'clock, hit it. Okay. During this time, 4 liquidity is bullish, 4 bosses bearish. 4 liquidity is bullish, 4 bosses bearish. 1 hour liquidity is bearish. 1 hour bias is bearish. Looking for 15-minute confluence is loose. So we can't. All of this looks like it delivered in our favor. Did it? Fuck no, he didn't. The market pushed up, took out liquidity. Boom, took out his other liquidity. Boom. Give us a unicorn model, which never got hit because my fact check is not winning. Okay, I rely on my fact check. If it's not winning, then I'm not entering that trade. So no setup there. This over here, no setup. Market gave me an entry late during the session, so I was looking for like no setup here. This is all-time high. Even to this, it was like FOMC, right? No setup, no unicorn model. Why no unicorn model? Market never took out any more liquidity. No down closing candle. So yeah, I would have had my unicorn model all the way down here. Actually, super liquidity, unicorn model down here. Still did not touch my fair value yet. Pump right back down without giving us entry, right? Which is ideal. Next day, Thursday, no setup to the downside or upside. Market took out a lot of liquidity for downside, right? It did right over here. So I was bullish for that day. But I said, man, I was bullish, yes. I taking setup, no. Why? Because I was fucking up, right? So this time, no setup, market bumped up, came back down during this time. Next session, I'm still looking for that long. Market pumped up here, right? Look, I'm still looking for that to aim for that long position. I was looking to aim for this box of liquidity, this, and overall this whole thing here. But during that time, you created for a box of liquidity, right? So I was like, okay, fuck this take profit. We're gonna go for this as a take profit, right? With that, I was looking for the hourly confluence, which we had right on during market open. Solid for right again. Looking to long it from here. I pushes down, looking for a 15-minute confluence back to the upside, which sweep of liquidity, the last down candle, the last up closing candle before the sweep of liquidity, which was what? This right over here. We had a 15-minute unicorn model, looks like it. Did we? Did it hit TP? Did it give us the entry? No, we didn't give no entry. Okay, so during this time, looking for tuning confluence, never had it. Super liquidity, never give us the entry here. Even with my other model, never give us the entry. Market pumped up here. Give us this, touch that, and yeah. No entries on my 15-minute breaker block. So, oh shoot, yes. Market broke just up on this, right? But one thing to keep in mind, this one had a sweep, right? Boom. This is an up closing candle. This can be this one. Okay, so we're gonna look for a setup here, eh? I'm gonna look for a setup. So market books are up above this, right? Because like right when this is my breaker block or order block, I'm still looking for a setup. So right when this is any of them, I'm looking for a setup to aim for a long position, right? So took out his liquidity. The last up closing candle for the taking out the liquidity was what? This breaker block. So when it's a breaker block, what if fair value gap that's overlapped with a fair value gap? What does this breaker block have? Fair value gap inside of it, but did it get touched? No. But guess what? What got touched though? A breaker block. Right I don't care which one gets touched or not, right? I care about my 1 minute execution, and I care about one more thing, because 1 minute execution is different, right? I'm not looking for the same thing. I'm looking for a 1 minute breaker to the upside with a 1 minute or a 1 minute reverse flag or 1 minute block and entry over there. If I don't get that, I'm not entering. But now I've got to the 5 minute. Once it does that, I'm looking for a 5 minute confluence to getting in. I'm looking for like another 5 minute, model. Why? Because my rule tells me to, right? So once you get the 15-minute unicorn model right over here, so I'm looking for another one. I'm looking for another reconstruction. I'm looking for another, super liquidity back to the downside. I mean, over here you can see sweep of this liquidity, boom. Then eventually no super liquidity happened here. We got a 5 minute over here. So we had a 5 minute entry. Blood.
Stop throwing your socks like that.
You feel me?
It's not your mother house, stop fearing your father.
Chat. So that is
Yeah, you got
my family's. I'm speaking out, bro. I gotta calm down, okay? So it's getting longer, so let me just keep on talking. We had a 15-minute. We got a 15-minute what? Breaker block with a 5-minute what? So we had a 15-minute unicorn model. Cheaper liquidity, fair value got that in line with it. I don't care which one gets touched first. Whatever gets touched first, that's all I care about. Then I'm looking for execution. I'm looking for the fair value to get touched as well with it. I'm just looking for a fair value gap to be inside of it. I don't care about it. I'm just looking for the fair value gap to be inside of it. But you can see next candle.
oh my God.
And yeah, next candle didn't even touch it, but yeah. But one more thing is in here, market did what? Market set out one liquidity, right? You can see took out the Sasa liquidity, most recent one. So the last up closing candle for the super liquidity, which is what? This breaker block. With that breaker block, you can see we never had enough super liquidity, so we don't have to care about nothing else. But now what the market do? First up, what did the super liquidity have? What did this fair value gap had? Overlapping fair value gaps with it, which was any of these. I'm looking for any of these to get touched. I'm looking for entry, which in this case was this, that, all of these. Guess what? Never had entry. I did have entry actually. No entry. I never had a push down here, right? But what do we had? I'm just looking for the first one that overlaps with it. And I don't care if there's a breaker block, but there's no fair value gap that for everything gets touched. I don't care. I'm just looking for one to get touched, right? So yeah. Now what do we got here is market push down here. Touched the fair value gap with the overlapping, order block. So we got a unicorn model here. And we got a 15-minute unicorn model. 5-minute unicorn model. As you guys know, the market is fractal, so the thing will happen in the same time frame. But the market touched here. Now we're looking for entry. What we're looking for entry was we had another unicorn model actually over here. which I don't really care about, but super liquidity again, push above displacement. Last upload candle was here. Boom, boom. We had another 15 minute. We had another 1 minute unicorn model. Everything's fractal. This had to use it to push up. So my entry would have been out of this bullish candle, which was whatever the bullish candle over here. This is the last bullish candle because it's just from 1 minute. I don't care about that 1 minute unicorn model. I just care about the 5 minute and the 15 minute. Everything else I don't really care about. Why do I not care about it? Because 1 minute I'm just looking for a fair value gap to get inversed or a breakup structure. In this case, breakup structure, which always causes a what in the market? A displacement, and it causes a unicorn model. So something might not cause it, but you know, something might settle with that. So I had a setup during this week. Okay, interesting. My Sasa would have been below this, the third candle. 1, 2, 3. For the third one right over here. Take profit would have been what? TP1 would be here. TP2 would be right over here. Why are we going for this? Why are we going for this? Because there's no correlation with these, right? Oh my goodness! So I missed a setup. Hey, it's interesting. Here, close right up below it. So I'm looking to get out right over here. Why am I looking to get out over here? Because market does a box liquidity, closes below it. So I'm looking to get out here or here, right? So it was a what? What's RR? 2 RR. Okay, cool. Now we found out that we don't have to look for a. As I said, this week, I was really looking for the high quality setup. My main focus was a high quality setup, right? Was just a high quality setup. This was a high quality setup, right? I was looking for the high, but like my mindset was so messed up, right? At this time, I was looking for a buy side, but I had my different type of strategy, which I never had an entry, but this one I did. So if I would have held to here, if I would have held to all over here, it would have been, you know, saying huge RR. But yeah, one time, only one trade, which I didn't take. Unfortunately, over here, no setup. You know, this was 2 o'clock time. I'm looking for that long entry over here. Market has no reason to go back down, right? But market has no reason to go back up, or nor has no reason to go back down. Over here, 2 o'clock. This is past my trading time. So now from here, the market has no reason to go back up for a value gap. From here, once the market goes over here, market has no reason to go back down. No reason to go back up. Market do push back down. From here, has no reason to go back. No, it has no reason to go back up because it's just a fair value gap. It's right back up. And yeah, no entries here. So at this time, I was at bearish or bullish. I don't know. I was bearish during this time, right? Because market was looking for a movement back to the downside. But it's fair value gap, which we never touched it. Right? Sets liquidity, we never touched it. So yeah, we only have one setup throughout this week. My mindset is really quick. But yeah, man, we found out. And that is it. Thank you for watching. For the community, we only have one unicorn model start this week, which is really nice. Hey, taking one trade for a week is really good, bro, in my eyes. Right, so I only have one unicorn model. So when I do my unicorn model, I don't care about both of them. All I care about is two things. There being a fair value gap, there being a breakup structure, like displacement. Fair value gap, displacement, and one more thing is that in a 15-minute time frame. And the same thing gotta repeat in the same time frame in a 5-minute, right? I'm looking for a 15-minute, right? And if it's a poly fair value gap, right? And I don't, when there's a 15-minute order block, right, or breakup block, but market somehow touches the breakup block, doesn't touch a fair value gap, I don't care. I'm looking for a setup. Whatever gets touched first, I don't care. If there's all I care about there being a fair value gap, or there being a breakup structure, or there being a breakup block with it, right, aligned with overlapping each other. I don't care which one gets touched first. I don't care being biased on it, which one peeking on it, right? And yeah, like that, because I could look for a setup 5-minute setting, and yeah, look for execution, because that will lead over a time, just lead to bad way of trading. But yeah, thank you for watching. That's my 9/22/2024 Berkeley market recap. Thank you for watching.